Today we're going to show you how to install and set up the Yale Assure Lock, which is completely keyless, has Bluetooth built in. We're going to get it set up with SmartThings and control it with our voice through Alexa. Next. Okay, now to get it working on our Z-Wave network. 3 fingers. Master code.
Menu mode. Enter.
7.
Wireless mod.
Gear.
Join the wireless.
1.
Join the wireless.
Gear. And let's see if it pops up
Completed.
here. Alright, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that on our SmartThings app. Rename that to front door. Done. And save. Okay. Alright, so our front door should now be here, and it does say it's locked, so we should be able to unlock it. And I just heard it unlock, and you should be able to lock it. And just locked. So we got it working with SmartThings, and now we should be able to also use it with Alexa. So let's see what capabilities she has. Let's go inside. Okay, now to get this working with Alexa, all we need to do is discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the Smart Home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app. I found one new lock called Front Door. To control it, say, Lock Front Door.
Alright, let's give it a shot. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on. SmartThings lock the front door.
And you know, obviously in SmartThings you can unlock it as well. But on the SmartThings screen you can also see the battery percentage, so you'll always be in the know if your batteries are getting low. And you can also unlock and lock it. And you can set it up with scenes, so when you come home it'll automatically unlock. When you leave it'll automatically lock. Even if it's locked, it will make sure it's locked. So you'll never have a front door that's unlocked when no one is home, or however you set up your smart home. If you have any questions or have any trouble installing your lock, just leave a comment down below. I'll leave a link to all the stuff that you need in the video description. Once again, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3.